Hi everyone, it's time for Maths with Mr. Twig. Now, today we're going to be exploring capacity, which is how much water or any other liquid that things hold. Capacity is all to do with measuring liquid. Now, you'll need to do this either near a sink or near a bath. I'm in my kitchen, as you can see. I'm standing near my sink. I have a bowl of water. I've also got some containers. I want you to find 4 different size containers. I've got a jug, a cup, beaker, drinking beaker, and I've actually got one more thing because it's not the same shape. It's not the same shape as these. I want to try something else. So you'll need 4 different containers, all that we're going to pour water in. I'm also getting a jug because I'll always be using the same thing to pour my water from. So pause the video, go and get these that you need for the lesson, okay? Okay. Right, well, before we go into capacity, we need to get our maths brains warmed up. So we'll have a go at ping pong tennis. So I'm going to start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Okay, let's have a go. But this time you say number 1. So you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good job, well done. Okay, right, this time we're going to go all the way up to 10 and then straight back down to 0. So I'll start with 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 1, 0. Good job. Okay, we're going to get on to the main part of our lesson now. So I'll be with you in a tick. Just make sure you got all your things. So today we're going to be using the language that describes capacity. So that'll be using words such as full, half full, empty. Okay. Now I've got my objects, and before I start to pour any water in, I'm going to look at the shape of them, look at the size of them. 1, 2, and 3, and I'm going to make a guess. I'm going to think which of these will hold the most water, which will hold the least. So I'm looking at the size of them. Well, this is the tallest, so I think it's going to be that one. That'll hold the most. Then let's have a look. Yeah, this is in the middle. This is the smallest. This one is taller than the cup. Yeah, so I think that'll be right. So at home, have a look at the containers that you've chosen. Put them in order. Put them in the order that you think will hold the least capacity up to the most. Right, well done. Okay, now it's time to test. Now I'm going to be using this jug. Okay, I'm going to be using my measuring jug, and I'm going to start by filling it to the top. So this is now a full measuring jug, and I'm going to be pouring my measuring jug, the water, sorry, into here. Look, try not to spill any, and I'm pouring it in. And this is now full to the top. Look how much water is left. We'll try and remember how much is in there. Okay, so it's quite a lot under half full. Okay, so we know that one will hold quite a lot. Let's try the one in the middle then. So this one, we'll call this. That's now full to the top, and it's taken this much water. There's this much left. Okay, so this definitely has held more water than this one. So let's tip that one back. Again, we can see how much water is in the jug. And I'm going to pour it into the spoon. Oh, hang on. I thought this was going to hold the least amount, but actually more water's come out of the jug. When we looked at at my milk jug, there was water up to here. So this actually holds more. I think I must have got confused. I think because this was taller, I thought it would hold more, but it actually doesn't. Okay. Now, I did want to try one more thing, just out of interest, really. You're going to be having a go at this with all your things in a minute, okay? Now, this was just another one of the boxes. Now, these loosely are cylinder shape. This is more of a cuboid. And I can see it's not very tall, but it's quite wide. So I just want to have a go, see how much water will go in here. So I wonder how much it will be. Let's have a look. Oh my word, can't believe it. My word, this is my box is full. Look how much water it's taken. Absolutely loads. Let me show you. Let me watch us fill it back up. My word. So this actually held quite a lot of water. The capacity of this container was quite big. Right, I'm going to stop now. It's over to you. Enjoy exploring the capacity of the containers that you chose. Maybe you'll find some surprises, a bit like I did. I mean, this held more than I expected, and when we were looking at the objects, we found that actually this jug held the least. This cup held more water than the jug, and the beaker held the most altogether. So yeah, I had a couple of surprises. What will you find? Let me know and evidence me. All right, take care everyone. Cheers, see you tomorrow. Bye.